Hello, fellow YouTubers, truth seekers, and Mandela Affected. I'm Darkwolf, and this is Darkwolf's Den. This is Mandela Effect Theory Series, video number 2, D-Wave Computers. Before I get started, I must put as a disclaimer, this does cover quantum physics and deep physics ideas. If you do not understand terms that I do use in this, please feel free to YouTube or Google these terms, and you'll find a large plethora of information. Now, that said, let's continue. So, to explain this theory, or set of theories, I must first add some context and explain what a D-Wave computer is and what it does. According to its own creator, its goal is to connect to a similar reality in a parallel plane or parallel dimension and use both computers on both dimensions to do calculations simultaneously, thus making the 1 and the 0 appear at the same time. Like the Schrodinger's cat experiment, is it dead or alive? Well, at the moment, it's both. I would also like you to look into something called the double slit experiment. If you don't know what quantum physics is, this might give you a better understanding of the quantum world in general. The D-Wave computer runs off something called qubits, which are very, very, very specialized processors that are kept at super, super cold temperatures. What these are supposed to do is create a quantum entanglement between this reality and another one. Have to forgive me, I'm going by my notes here. I tried to write a script, but we all know how that goes, right? The idea is that by making these connections, the realities may be merging together, which could be causing the Mandela Effect. So if two realities are connecting together at any point, it may cause a little bit of overlap between them, and we could have certain changes from one appear in another. Thus, we would have the Mandela Effect, whether it be Berenstein becoming Berenstain, the Volvo logo from a circle to a male phallic symbol, or the variety of other changes we've seen. It is questioned whether or not these computers work at all because they fall into decoherence or ones and zeros in a binary form like normal computers would. I doubt that it doesn't work because of the simple fact that they've made multiple ones of these and they've sold them, and you usually don't sell something like that unless it actually does what it's supposed to do. One side note I would like to add, for each qubit is supposed to be the connector to another parallel reality. These computers are up to 2,048 qubits at the moment, at least that's what they tell us about. If you have more questions about CERN or the D-Wave computer especially, please check out Anthony Patch. He has a large series of videos on YouTube and has a show on what's called Truth Frequency Radio. He has a lot of information for that and is a good resource for ideas concerning that. I would also like to put out there, for anybody that doesn't know, this is a wonderful community to join. We have communities on Discord, a chatting app. We have a live stream show that comes on every Thursday night on Dr. Taryn Lupo's channel. He covers a 4-hour live stream with various topics and panel guests. I would really suggest you check that out. There's also different YouTubers like Moneybag73, who adds a lot of Mendelism videos and keeps up with the recent changes. He has his own ideas about what's going on, as does most of the community, which is why I wanted to create this video series to bring everybody together and all the ideas that we have and see what resonates with who. Maybe we can find a way together to come up with a full solution. There's another one called Jinx Cat. She's an amazing video maker. She's an ex-journalist who makes Mandela Effect videos and is really working at finding the root cause of this. I've used a lot of her data in coming up with ideas. I really suggest you check her channel out. That's JYNX Jinx Cat. She does have a support group. If you're interested in joining that, definitely get a hold of her and she'll tell you how to do that. I'll try to put links in the description box. I can't promise that I will. I will try to. I'm kind of new at this, so bear with me. The Mandela Effect community is absolutely amazing, and I must give thanks to them for even giving me the courage to get out here and make these videos and put this series together. So that said, I hope everyone has enjoyed. I hope y'all have a wonderful morning, afternoon, day, evening, night, wherever it may be. And if you have any ideas, questions, or comments, please put them below. I would love to hear what other ideas or theories you have. Thank you so much for watching.